Hello friends and welcome back to the Regulation channel. So friends, today I will talk about MSI Cubi NUC AI Plus 2 mg mini PC. So friends, the MSI has announced advanced innovation of AI design and productivity. MSI proudly introduced the Cubi NUC AI Plus 2 mg is a groundbreaking mini PC that harnesses the power of Copilot Plus PC in an expectational compact 0.826-liter form factor, and this device is engineered to deliver intelligent computing and seamless AI experience without sacrificing performance and versatility. So friend, the Cubi NUC AI Plus 2 mg is proprietary security and accessibility with feature like fingerprint recognition for quick login and dual 2.5 gigabit LAN port for high-speed networking and enhanced with dTPM for hardware-level data protection, and it made enterprise-grade security standard and equipped with D mic and speaker, and the device support AI voice control for responsive user experience. So when MSI integrated its MSI Power Link technology into Cubi NUC AI Plus 2 mg, allowing the device to be powered by directly the comfortable MSI monitor, and the MSI Power Meter offer power saving option, track carbon emission and estimate electronic cost, and allowing user to control their energy usage. So friend, if you like my video, please do like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon.